Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. I've been checking out the Bingogous USB rechargeable and portable vacuum cleaner for RV, boat, could be your computer. We actually use it on a kitchen table that has some grooves in it. The crumbs go into it all the time. So I've been checking it out. Really cool. It's about the size of a spray paint can or a hairspray can, and it has both a vacuum and a blow function, so you could use it either way. Pretty cool looking color to this one. I can show you real quick. Just open this up. Pops open. You got the filter inside here. And that comes out. You can probably clean that out. You most likely can purchase some other ones. It did come with only one. And it also did come with a nice little carrying sleeve, which is kind of cool. So we're just going to go ahead and drop that back in here. It fits right in. Drop that on. Twist it. It's locked. Now this does have an on-off switch on it, but it says no/off. I'm sure that's supposed to be on/off. But it does use the USB charger to charge it up. It's a lithium-ion battery. Let's see what it says. 1500 milliamps, 7.4 volt lithium-ion. It has been doing great as far as runtime and just holding the battery power. Haven't had to charge it and use it on a couple different applications with the car, and also just like some other things like the couch and the table. Have not had to charge it yet. And then we've been using this brush attachment right here, so it easily goes right into the side there. That's it. It also has the other wand that has the little angle on it to get into the cracks and crevices. And then this one here, not too sure really what that's for. Maybe just like a little looks like a little tube or something. I don't know. We haven't had to use that one, so I didn't really test it out. But overall, really cool. You know, I've seen ones that are a little bit smaller, great for desks and things like that. Let me just show you real quick. So I have it, make sure you connect it to the right side. So right now it's on the vacuum one, and it says, actually it says absorb instead of vacuum. So you're gonna press the button down. Comes on, you can hear it, the feels going through. Pushing around, but it's also getting a lot about that. Pretty good vibe. There's some phones. I like it, especially for the keyboard and stuff. Sometimes you do have to hold this down for a second or two. It goes off. Just a short press and it'll go back off. So there you have it. Again, this is the Bingogous portable and rechargeable vacuum. It sells for about $35. Sometimes they run like a $5 off coupon on Amazon. You can always pick it up with the link below. But pretty cool. I like having this. A little probably too big for the glove compartment, but probably good for like a boat or an RV, or just keep in a desk drawer, and you can you know, do what you need to. So there it is. That's the Bingogous portable and rechargeable vacuum with the lithium-ion battery. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.